Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever found yourself in a situation where your laptop just can't handle the demands of your busy lifestyle? Maybe it's slow, maybe it's outdated, or maybe it just can't keep up with your ever-growing workload? Well, I'm here to tell you that those days are behind you, thanks to the Lenovo IdeaPad 315. laptop. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at this impressive device and explore what makes it stand out from the crowd. Let's start with the elephant in the room, the problem. We've all been there, frustrated with our current laptop's performance, limited battery life, and lackluster display. But what if you could have a device that not only meets but exceeds your expectations? A device that's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone in between who demands a seamless blend of productivity and entertainment. That's where the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 comes in, a game changer in the world of laptops. First impressions are everything, so let's take a closer look at the design and build quality of this device. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3 boasts a sleek, sophisticated design that exudes modern style without sacrificing functionality. It's built with a combination of aluminum and plastic, making it both durable and lightweight. At just under 1.8 pounds and measuring about 0.73 inches thick, this laptop is perfect for working on the go. Now, let's talk about usability. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3 features a spacious 15.6-inch FHD IPS touchscreen display with a pixel density of 1920 by 1080. This means you'll enjoy crystal-clear visuals, vibrant colors, and an impressive 300 nit brightness that's perfect for working in bright environments. Plus, the touchscreen experience is smooth and responsive, allowing you to effortlessly navigate through Windows 11 Home. But what really sets the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 apart is its impressive array of features. First, let's start with the Intel Core i3-1115 G4 processor, which provides a robust performance boost that's perfect for multitasking, video editing, and more. With 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, you'll be able to juggle multiple applications with ease, while the integrated Intel UHD graphics ensures a smooth gaming experience. Now, let's talk about storage. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3 comes with a massive 3 terabyte storage capacity, which is perfect for those who need plenty of space for their files, music, and movies. The setup includes a 2 terabytes SSD for lightning-fast loading times and a 1 terabyte docking station set for expandable storage on the go. But what about real-world testing? Let's put the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 through its paces with some believable use cases. Imagine you're a student who needs to juggle multiple assignments, presentations, and online research. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3 will handle it all with ease, thanks to its impressive performance and multitasking capabilities. Or picture yourself working as a videographer, editing footage, and color correcting in Adobe Premiere. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3 will keep up with your demands, thanks to its robust processor and seamless integration with creative software. Of course, like any device, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 has its pros and cons. Some users have reported minor issues with the keyboard backlighting or touchscreen navigation, but overall, the device provides a solid user experience. As for the competition, there are plenty of options out there that offer similar features and capabilities, but none come close to the Lenovo IdeaPad 3's unbeatable price-to-performance ratio. When it comes to comparison, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 stands out from the crowd with its unbeatable combination of performance, features, and price. If you're in the market for a reliable and efficient laptop that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, look no further than the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone in between, this device is perfect for everyday tasks, entertainment, and beyond. In conclusion, the Lenovo IdeaPad 315 6-inch FHD IPS touchscreen laptop is an absolute powerhouse that will revolutionize the way you work and play. With its unbeatable performance, sleek design, and impressive features, this device is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient laptop that checks all the boxes. Don't settle for mediocrity any longer. Upgrade to the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 today and experience the power of a cutting-edge laptop that's sure to exceed your expectations. So what are you waiting for? Whether you're in the market for a new laptop or just looking to upgrade your current device, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 is an absolute game changer. Don't hesitate. Take the leap and experience the power of this incredible device for yourself. Visit our website or local retailers today and discover the perfect laptop for your needs.